Let's annotate this quotation from Macbeth, said by Macbeth in Act 1, Scene 4. So here Macbeth expresses his inner conflict and also the darkness of his ambition. Remember, ambition is his fatal flaw. It drives the plot of the play. Let's zoom in on the word light. So the word light symbolizes purity, goodness, and sort of a divine spiritual presence, which essentially just representing kind of this idea of heaven or a connection to a divine spiritual realm, another world. While if we look at black, we have a direct contrast. Black suggests evil, guilt, and has further connotations of corruption. So this contrast highlights the conflict between good and evil, where light symbolizes the ideals of heaven and darkness representing the forces that essentially pull the characters away from a path of righteousness, of doing the right thing, of good. Here what we have is Macbeth essentially acknowledging that his ambitions are corrupt, something that Lady Macbeth never does, and adds this sense of humanity to his otherwise quite dark character towards the end. And his awareness that his ambitions are corrupt seeks him kind of wishing to conceal his desires from the eyes of God. This line ultimately highlights the extent to which Macbeth is willing to suppress his own conscience and hide his intentions, which foreshadows his descent into moral corruption and his ruthless actions. And this being at the beginning of the play is important, as it just highlights his true ambition and the lengths that Macbeth is willing to go to suppress his own conscience, as he is aware that this is the wrong path to take in order to achieve his goals, which ultimately foreshadows his descent into moral corruption and the ruthless actions he will take to achieve his ambition to become king.